Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing because today is my day to go do a big grocery shopping. So let's get this started. This one, I ordered this one from Saks Fifth Avenue, and this is how the box came. Easily open. I like that, so that I don't have to use my X-Acto knife. I think sometimes it makes people nervous, so that way it's safer for my bags or whatever shoes that I order. And grab, and then that's the receipt. So this is sneakers I bought today. This is from Raf Simons. I think it says it's a runner. I think on the website it was named Orion Suede Sneakers. I hope they send me the correct color. Let's take a look. Nice box. Really high quality packaging. And it comes with a dust bag that you can use it as a grocery shopping or something. It's pretty cool. Oh, using it to the beach since now it's heading to summer now. Huh, really clever. And to make this dust bag more useful, I guess. The fabric itself is good quality cotton fabric. Now let's look at the shoes. Wow! Look at the colors, just gorgeous. Let's take out the stuffing. Usually people buy suede leather shoes for fall and winter, but I thought this color I could still wear it for like spring and summer because it's blue color, and in Pennsylvania it doesn't really get that hot. So for example, sometimes after a rain the temperature is actually quite comfortable, and I thought this blue would match up with some of my bags. So let's take a look. The stars outsole, pretty solid. Beautiful laces here. I think they call this shape is their almond toe box. And at the back it has these leather details with the brand's name Raf Simons on it. And then let's take a look inside. Not sure if this is leather line or it's hard to see with all the laces all tied up. It's a very different way of tie. How they do these shoelaces is really interesting. Inside of, I think it's leather line. Trying to give you a better look. The insole is pretty soft. Some good padding in it. Interesting how they lace up these shoes. Is like one of it is coming from all the way to the bottom, and then the other side, the other end, just go through all these loops. I'm not sure this would work for me. I may have to redo it. Let's check on the other side. Everything looks good. Beautiful. I love this color. I hope suede is not too hard to take care of. I think I lost my Carbon Pro spray, so I guess I will have to buy a new one to spray this just in case they got stained. So when I buy shoes, I tend to think about if it matches the bags I have. You know, sometimes you have so many bags, you do need some shoes and some other accessories to sort of kind of complete the look. And so far with this one, the only bag that matched the closest is my Fjällräven Kanken backpack. And it's still not the best match in my opinion, but this will do for now. I think my ideal bag to match this pair of shoes would be Coach Cashin tote in blue fin color. I missed that one, and I hope I will see it on sale somewhere, or they will restock it. Then I'll get that one, because that bag would be a perfect match. So it's not too hard to put on this pair of sneakers, and the tongue itself actually has an elastic part that connected to the side wall. So I guess I like it that way. That way it kind of still wrap around your feet and your shoes not going to slip out easily. This one I bought a pair of size 9, just like my regular size. And the fit is quite good. Definitely has a little bit of space at the back, but not too bad. Fit pretty well. Doesn't feel like it slipped out too much. I thought this one would be too big like my other pair of sneakers. Sometimes, you know, European brand, their sneaker size tend to be off a little bit compared to what we get used to in United States. I like it because I think with my monochromatic wardrobe, this would be a nice pop of color. Really happy with this purchase, and if you have been looking for their sneakers, you can try Raf Simons sneakers. The size is pretty similar to the US shoe size that we are familiar with. Thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!